Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we are working on cordless blackout blinds, and in this video we're going to show you how to install them. Let's get started. Great news, the brand new blinds are in, and we are going to begin cutting all the tie straps and open up the box and take a look what they look like. Tie straps removed, and from here, opening up the box, we can see that it is well packaged and protected. Go ahead and remove all of these, and your actual blinds will be in a really nice plastic protective sleeve here. We'll go ahead and open that carefully. And as you remove the plastic cover, just be careful. You have hardware in certain portions of the sleeve, and this little wrapping here is your actual push button handle. So be careful as you open that up. Alright YouTubers, before removing the brand new blinds from the plastic, we recommend bringing your brand new blinds to the window space that it will be mounted and insert it and make sure the actual measurements are correct. There will be a small gap in between the wall and the brand new blinds. That is for end caps there. However, in the event that you have a very large gap, chances are you did not measure properly, and you may want to consider returning it and getting the proper measurement. Alright YouTubers, in front of me I've got a pencil, a Phillips screwdriver, the hardware that came in the package, a measure, and the instructions. We are going to do the inside mount. However, we just bought new windows, and prior to the new windows we had a lot of space inside the actual window frame. Unfortunately, those brand new windows took up a lot more space than the old ones did. So even though we're going to do the inside mount, this requires 2 7/16 inch deep for large rail, which we had, and that is to fully recess the shade. However, we no longer have 2 7/16 available, so we're basically going to rest this mounting bracket up against the window, and that's the best we have. So we're going to follow the instructions. First thing, position the first two brackets 2.5 inches from the ends of the shade. So we'll grab our measure and the pencil and one bracket. We'll head to the window opening and secure our first mounting bracket. So here we are in the corner top portion of the window, and there's where our old brackets were mounted. So we have new blinds, and from the end in we marked 2.5 inches, and that is where we are going to insert and secure the first mounting bracket. And again, notice how it sticks out a bit. We just have to live with that. We're going to secure this mounting bracket flush with the window. So I'll grab the Phillips screws and secure this mounting bracket with those Phillips screws and the Phillips screwdriver. Alright, the very first mounting bracket is secured by both Phillips screws, and again 2.5 inches in from this portion right here. And we're going to hop to the right side of the window frame and insert and secure the second mounting bracket. Second mounting bracket is secured, again 2.5 inches from the insert. Now let's go to the center and install the third mounting bracket. Alright YouTubers, the third mounting bracket is properly secured. This center portion is the mow bar, so it does have an indent lip that I went just to the left of the center of the mow bar and secured that. Again, make sure all your measurements are correct. And one thing I want to show you prior to the next step of raising the blinds into place and snapping them onto this mounting bracket, to get them off this specific model, you will push in on the bracket and then pull the back side off this hook. Notice how this is a tension spring. By pressing on the front portion of the blinds, it will allow the rear side of the blinds to be released from this hook. So with that said, now you know how to take them off in the event that you ever need to remove them. From here, we're going to raise up the blinds and secure them. All right, next we are going to open up our blinds. Pretty big, however, we wanted one blind for this entire 2-window setting. So let's go ahead and remove this, raise it up in place, and secure it to the mounting brackets. And let's verify the top portion that the actual rail will secure itself to the mounting bracket. You have these little lips inside here. Let's go refer to the instructions prior to lifting this up in place, and we'll see exactly how this is inserted and clips into place. Back at the instructions in this pictorial version, figure 4. Take a good look, study this, and this is how your blinds will be inserted and clipped in place on the mounting bracket. So first, bring the inner portion down at an angle, hook it on the outside hook, and then lift this portion up, and it should make a clicking sound when it is secured. All right, the blinds are in place and secured on the mounting brackets, and In the event that all your mounting brackets are measured properly and properly secured evenly, trust me when I say this, this blind set secures itself to the mounting bracket in such a friendly manner. It was very easy. So what I want to show you now is this gap in between the end of the blinds and the wall. I'll shoot over to the opposite side. And what I've done, once you secure the actual blinds, you can shift the upper portion along the mounting bracket, and this is just shy of a 1/2 inch, as you can see. And over to the opposite side, just shy of a 1/2 inch. So again, just kind of shift the blinds to the proper position that you want and make sure it's level. You can shift your level the whole way across your blind set and it should look just like that. From here I'll just take that down, and what I want to do next is grab the chair, and as I mentioned earlier, it's not all the way flush or recessed inside the wall. However, that little gap there you can't see from standing below the blinds walking in the room, but that's not bad. What I'll do for now, shift the chair out of the way and I will show you how this works. So you have the bottom tab here and the upper tab. The bottom tab, by pressing it in, it brings down the entire blackout shade. And let me get the so that's basically the blackout shade. Again, it has that really nice blackout filter in it, and that's really nice. And the next feature is the upper tab, and this opens up the sheer portion and allows light in. So that's really cool. And once you're done, in the event that you don't want the sheer or the actual blackout, you will raise both of them. And for us, this is a perfect blind set for our specific window in this room. And as you can see, our brand new windows still have the brand new stickers on them. Lowe's installed our windows, and we're waiting for the county to come out and inspect them. That's pretty cool. That's it, YouTubers. We hope the video helped, and let us know how you like our blinds. All right, YouTubers, it is later in the evening. It's not completely dark out outside. However, we've got the blackout shade in the down position. I'm going to turn off the light. And as you can see here, it cuts out a lot of that incoming light from outside. Basically, the room is pitch black except for the small seam right here on the edges of the blinds. What I'll do now is walk over to the window and I will raise the blackout portion, as you can see here, and you'll notice we still have a little bit of light left. So again, these are really, really nice blinds. They cut out a lot of outside light and turn your room pitch black during the daytime. That's it, YouTubers. Hope you liked the video. Do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us. That will be awesome. Hey, thanks again for watching.